What's up guys, welcome back to another video, welcome back to another episode of the KameGarage. In today's video we're gonna fix the one, the only, the most notorious leak on the Infiniti G35. Today we're gonna fix the notorious oil cooler filter gasket. This is one of the most common oil leaks on our G35 and any Nissan that has, or Infiniti that has the VQ35 engine on it. It's right behind the oil filter housing. That's what it is, the oil filter housing gasket. It goes bad after I don't know how long. It's been leaking forever. A lot of people think it's the oil pan. That's one of the other things, another common leak that needs to get resolved on our G35. But today we're gonna fix one of the main issues, this gasket right here. Let's go. We got the car up, we're gonna go ahead and pop out the hood. Everything else you wanna do is pretty much like an oil change. You wanna take the oil out, open up the oil cap right here, and then we're gonna drain the oil down there. We have all the oil out. You guys can see right there the housing. There's a 22mm right here in the middle that you have to remove. Grab your 22mm socket, a breaker bar, and then pull this front part out. You guys see it has little tabs right here all around it. All you just literally gotta do is just pull it out. We remove the bolt, you pull the housing to the front, and you'll find the gasket right behind the housing. We're about to go ahead and remove that and replace it with a new one, and just repeat the steps backwards. The old gasket right here, we're gonna remove it, put the new one. There you go, out with the old. We're gonna go ahead and clean up the area. Make sure all of it's nice and clean. We have here the new gasket, nice and clean. There we go guys, we have the seal back in place. Make sure you put it in the inner part, not the outer. All right, now that we have everything back, we have to line this back in here. This has a couple of metal tabs up here that you have to align, make sure it locks in place, and then you put the bolt in, found it in place. Now we gotta put the bolt back in here. You wanna torque this down to 36 foot-pounds. Now we're gonna go ahead and put a new oil filter. Last thing we have to do is just fill up the oil. Got no leaks, nothing, everything looks brand new. Well boys, we just finished replacing the oil cooler housing filter gasket. It's a long ass name. Last thing you gotta do is check the oil level with the dipstick. My oil level is good, I already checked it. That's how easy it is to replace or fix one of the most notorious oil leaks on the G35s or VQ35 engines. Hope you guys learned something from this. If you liked it, hit the like button down below. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the new episodes, and stay tuned to find out what happens next to the G35 or the E36 on the next episode of the KameGarage. Peace.